everybody, welcome to today's video demonstration here on the beauty of pastel. Today I am doing a two-part video. This first part of the video I'm showing you exactly how I like to arrange my palette whenever I'm painting a piece, and also a quick way that I pull some photo references into Photoshop and alter them to get the best possible composition for my painting. The second part of the video, make sure you watch it. It's right here, and I hope you enjoy. Hey everybody, I wanted to show you a quick video of my setup for whenever I teach a class, especially if I have worked on a piece and have really figured out my palette. This is how I take my palette to my classes. Of course, this box, this is a Heilman box, and it has a cover that snaps in right here. So all of these don't shake around since they're not tightly packed. But I've organized this in such a way that it makes sense for me to pull and grab as I'm painting. This over here, these are my darks, obviously, the dark values, and I use these for tree bases, oh, and here's Boo. Scoot away, scoot away. He's curious about why I'm crouching on the floor recording this video for you. These are the harder pastels that I use. This is a Giraud, and these are new pastels, and these are the colors that I would use for the tree bases and just that general dark value before the alcohol wash. Then I have it organized here in just this general area, and these are more of the mid-tone foliage, underbrush section. That's just a lighter value. This is a lighter value, you can see that, can you see that? Than these darks. I also have some more purer tones here that are for like the final touches of just the light hitting or the glow that I'm wanting to achieve. I also have a section down here for my water in different varying tones, but also very analogous colors. Greens, this is actually a very, very cool turquoise green. This is a green right here, and then also some mauves, purples, and blues. And then I have my sky colors up here. I also have some pencils that I used, some charcoal, a charcoal pencil, and this dark blue Carbothello. I also used a fan brush, and in some areas, sometimes I use a palette brush depending on if I'm wanting to etch in some branches or if I have put some pastel down that I'm not loving. Just use that tip and I scratch it off of the sanded paper. But I also wanted to show you a quick video about how I go about editing and thinking about my composition. So enjoy that, and I hope you guys have a great day. This is the photo that I'm going to be working off, and this is in a program called Adobe Bridge that is just kind of a archive way of looking at your photos. I have it already in black and white, but I want to show you how I do that. So I'm going to open this picture into Adobe Photoshop. I am going to desaturate this piece. Click on that little hue saturation box, which pops up another field, and in the middle section, I drag the saturation all the way down to create a black and white image. Now you can see below there is a layers section, and the hue saturation layer is on top of the photograph. So basically that means it hasn't saved it this way yet, and you can either turn that off or turn it back on depending on if you like. Now I grabbed the crop tool to drag down into a more pleasing composition for me. I wanted to lessen the mid horizon line in the very middle. What I want to talk about now is how I am going to change this scene. Right now, there's kind of this swooping sky going on, but I want to increase the drama while not having these blocky sections of sky peeking through. This is a bare branch, cold winter day. I want to lessen. I just want it to be a softer instead of the hard edges of these trees. You can see here, so I'm going to draw. There's a section, and then there's kind of one there, and then there's this swooping down, which I think swoops down and out of the photograph. There's also all this brush in the front, and there's this rock that could be a problem. And so I just delete those, edit them out of my brain. I don't look at them, and I'm just going to focus on more of the calligraphy of this piece, softening the lines. And so this is how I'm going to put the reference in with my pencil sketch. Okay, so now you know how to arrange your pastels and how to bring your photo references into Photoshop. Turning something into black and white is the #1 way that I think helps students really see the value and the true composition of their references. So now let's watch this video about how I put this painting together. If you would like to help support these free video demonstrations and lessons, please visit my Patreon page. The link is right here. You can also like and subscribe and make sure you hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when there is a new video. See you around.